Today, we're diving into the world of cars, focusing on a component that might sound complex, but is super important for your ride's smooth operation. The Dual Mass Flywheel, or DMF for short. Imagine we're just chilling and chatting about what makes your car run so smoothly. Ready? Let's get into it. First off, what in the world is a DMF? Every car out there has a flywheel, but the DMF is like the deluxe version. It's this hefty, sophisticated component that adds weight and momentum to your engine's crankshaft, keeping it spinning smoothly. It's all about reducing those pesky vibrations, making your ride quieter and more refined. Think of it as the buffer zone that keeps everything running smoothly, so you don't feel like you're in a mobile massage chair on the highest setting. Now, you might wonder, why do we even need a DMF? Great question. As cars have evolved, especially those with powerful, torque-heavy engines, there's been a need to manage the jerkiness and noise they can produce. Enter the DMF. It's like the peacekeeper under the hood, ensuring your car doesn't shake itself apart or make you feel like you're in a rock band's tour bus. It helps cars use higher gears at lower speeds, which is a fancy way of saying it makes your car more fuel efficient and a lot smoother to drive. Let's dive a bit deeper into how the DMF works its magic. Picture this: your car's engine and gearbox are having a dance, but their rhythm is off. The DMF steps in like a skilled dance instructor, smoothing out their moves. It's made up of two flywheels connected by springs or rubber, which helps even out the engine's torque and the gearbox's rotation. This setup reduces the engine's tantrums, ensuring a smooth and quiet performance. It's like having a secret mediator that keeps everything in harmony. The lifespan of a dual mass flywheel or DMF in a vehicle can vary based on driving conditions, maintenance, and the quality of the component. On average, they can last anywhere from 100,000 to 200,000 miles, but factors like aggressive driving, heavy loads, or poor maintenance can significantly impact their longevity. Regular vehicle inspections and addressing issues promptly can contribute to a longer lifespan for the dual mass flywheel. So taking good care of your car not only ensures a smoother ride, but also protects your investment in the long run. But as with all things, DMFs don't last forever. They're hard at work every time you drive, and eventually they start to show signs of wear. You might hear rumbling noises, find it harder to switch gears, or feel like your car is having a bit of a fit when you're just trying to pull away from a stop. It's your car's way of whispering or shouting, "Hey, I need a bit of attention here." Thinking about replacing a DMF might make your wallet flinch, but it's an investment in keeping your car's smooth character. It's usually done alongside clutch replacement, making it a package deal for renewing your car's drivability. Yes, it's a bit of a hit to the bank account, but it breathes new life into your ride, making it feel like it just rolled off the showroom floor. You might be pondering, is all this DMF talk really relevant to me? Absolutely. If you cherish a smooth driving experience and want to keep your car in top shape, understanding the DMF is key. It's especially crucial for those who love manual transmissions, but could do without the rodeo ride. The DMF makes driving more about enjoyment and less about wrestling with your car. And there you have it, my friend, a deep dive into the world of dual mass flywheels. It's not just a fancy term or a piece of metal. It's a critical player in your car's performance, ensuring every journey is as smooth as can be. Next time you hit the road, remember the sophisticated engineering working tirelessly beneath you, all thanks to the DMF. Thanks for hanging out and exploring the ins and outs of cars with me. If you've got more questions, comment them down below. I will get to each one of you. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Until next time, keep enjoying those seamless rides. And remember, there's always more to learn about the amazing machines we drive. I see you in the next video.